Hi, my name is Paige Swanson, and I'm the pre-K-3 teacher here at Carlisle. So our Preschool 3 program focuses on child-centered learning, and we encourage collaboration while students are immersed in play-based activities. We do a daily circle time, which includes numerous songs and lots of dancing. Other centers include dramatic play, where I have an actual hand-painted house and kitchen for the students, blocks and building, Play-Doh, art, puzzles, as well as literacy, math, and science centers. We foster compassion, curiosity, creativity, and critical thinking through a multi-sensory approach, as well as self-confidence and enthusiasm for learning. Our program delivers a balanced curriculum, which includes discovery-based learning and exploration, while encouraging physical, mental, and social development and a combination of indoor and outdoor exploration.
My name is Teresa Martin, and I've had the privilege to teach Preschool 4 here at Carlisle for the last 10 years. We offer a fun, nurturing environment. My classroom has a large open layout, which enables whole group instruction as well as small group instruction. We have a balance of hands-on learning as well as the use of technology.
Hello, my name is Jordan Turner, and I teach kindergarten at Carlisle School. I've been teaching at Carlisle for 11 years. And I think what sets us apart from other kindergarten classrooms is our individualized educational plan for each student. We're able to really differentiate for remediation or acceleration purposes to really meet and teach to each child's potential. And I love to instill the love of learning in younger age students. I look forward to meeting you, and I hope to see you all next school year.
Hi, my name is Miss Burkhart. I'm a kindergarten teacher at Carlisle School. I want to welcome you to the virtual open house, and please feel free to call me or ask me any questions that you might have about our kindergarten curriculum. Miss Turner and I are very excited that you all are considering this for your family, and we hope to be seeing you in the fall.
My name is Sheena Wingfield, and I'm a nationally board certified teacher that teaches first grade at Carlisle School. I like for learning to be fun and engaging for all of my students. We use iPad technology that helps engage student learning. This technology allows us to differentiate our instruction and meet the academic needs of all of our students. My classroom contains many math manipulatives to allow for concrete hands-on learning and exploration in mathematical concepts. First graders in Carlisle have many field trip experiences. One of the first field trips that we enjoy comes in the fall, and we go to Natural Bridge. This field trip goes along with our science unit on rocks and their formation. One activity our first graders look forward to is spending time with mentors each month. Their mentor is someone from the upper school that comes to visit our classroom and enjoy an activity together.
My name is Ivy Gunn. I have been part of the Carlisle family for 12 years. I'm most currently serving as their second grade teacher. One of the things I love the most about second grade are the super sweet students and families that come to our school. We have very small class sizes, which give us plenty of room at our tables for collaborative learning and plenty of space in the floor for our learning centers. We also have a library inside of our classroom and one-to-one technology. I hope that you get a chance to come by and see us soon. We're looking forward to meeting you.
Hello, I'm Deborah Sullivan. I teach third grade at Carlisle School. Third grade is a wonderful grade. We teach many new and exciting things like cursive handwriting. We learn about explorers that have explored different parts of North America and do wonderful projects on that. We learn a lot of new things in science with animals and matter, and usually take some field trips. We read some great novel units. So third grade is a wonderful and exciting year, and I hope you can join us there at Carlisle next year.
Hey, my name is Laura Walker. I teach third grade at Carlisle School. This is my 15th year teaching third grade, my 5th at Carlisle School. One of my most fun and exciting projects we do in third grade is our Greek God and Goddess unit. The students get to choose a god or goddess to do a research project on. They dress up, and then we have a Greek God Goddess feast. Hope to see you soon. Thanks.
Hi, my name is Beth Toms. I'm the 4th grade teacher at Carlisle School. I teach math and science. In math, we have the Envision math program. We do a lot of hands-on activities. We start off at the beginning of the year working on multiplication, division. We go into fractions and geometry, measurement, just a lot of fun math topics. And then in science, our units, we start off with animal and plant structures. We talk about the weather. We look at landforms, oceans, and end the year with a big unit on the human body. We work hard, but we also have a great time learning.
Hi, my name is Katina Pettit, and I teach 4th grade. I teach language arts, writing, and Virginia studies. I believe my classroom is a very inviting place for all learners. My classroom is small enough that I can work with students' needs individually, and big enough that we can work in groups and centers whenever the occasion may rise. And one of the really neat things about Carlisle is our students write in cursive. We also have technology that's integrated throughout everything that we do here. The students will leave the classroom able to write and produce a wonderful piece of writing using technology. They're able to do slideshows, and we use Google Classroom. Virginia Studies is another thing that I teach that the kids really enjoy. Throughout the year, we have amazing opportunities for field trips. In the fall, we take an overnight trip and we go to Richmond, we go to Williamsburg, and to the Jamestown settlement. The experience of the children learning and then going there hands-on is wonderful. We also have another chance to take a field trip where we visit the University of Virginia and we visit Monticello. Both of those are very valuable lessons for the students, and it makes them very excited. Throughout our year, we do a lot of novel studies, and one of the books that everyone loves is The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe. And at the end of that unit, we have a tea party, and the kids absolutely love that. The one thing that I think is the most wonderful about my classroom is the love. The kids are such disciplined students. They have manners, and they grow and they learn throughout the year. We are a wonderful team. I work with my partner, Mrs. Thompson. We love the kids, and we try to make everything as fun and exciting as we possibly can for the students.
I am Ms. Thompson, and I teach 5th grade math and science at Carlisle School. 5th grade is an awesome year, filled with lots of fun, lots of hard work, and lots of privileges. This is the last year of lower school, so we really make it exciting. One exciting thing that takes place is the Exposition Project, which is a collaborative group project in which the students are given a topic. They then work together to write a research paper, compose a visual display board, and the best part of all, build a hands-on product based off their topic. Another fun, awesome thing about 5th grade is our field trips. We go to Appomattox Courthouse in Appomattox, Virginia, which goes along with our history curriculum. We also attend an overnight field trip to Busch Gardens. This goes along with Force in Motion, which is also within our science curriculum.
Hi, my name is Miss Penprase. I teach 5th grade ELA and history. My classroom is an inviting space where the children can feel comfortable as well as focused. In 5th grade, there are a lot of big projects that the children have to complete. The biggest one in ELA is the Living Wax Museum. This project is a great opportunity for students to expand their research, essay writing, and oral presentation skills. As well as our big projects for the year, there are lots of things that students get to do each day that make Carlisle so special. In 5th grade, the students use a program called Keyboarding Without Tears, and while many of them are great with technology, they still type with 2 fingers. If the students continue this habit in middle school and high school, it's going to really slow them down. Keyboarding Without Tears helps teach students how to correctly and efficiently use all their fingers while typing. We also have reading groups. These are small groups broken down into individual reading levels, where students go and do extensive reading education each morning. 5th grade is a really fun year here at Carlisle. The students get to learn and increase their education skills in a fun environment while preparing to become more independent and ready for middle school.
As you can see, Carlisle School offers many opportunities for their students.
All in all, I think the experience at Carlisle is invaluable, and I think it's a wonderful investment in any child's future.